Confer with is the easy way to convert more sales and grow customer loyalty with truly personalised online shopping experiences. It allows your team to give real-time advice on what to buy as they would in store. The platform allows you to share product images, video demos and more. It delivers a truly immersive experience as it lets you curate your recommendations and makes it fun for customers to shop with you. Our patent-pending shared virtual basket allows both the shopper and your team to add items to a shared shopping basket. Saying, "Shall I add that to our shared virtual basket?" is the equivalent of taking a product to the till for your customers. The Confer With service helps you ensure your customers' needs are met. It allows your retail team to inspire, engage and reassure customers about their purchase decisions in real time. Confer With, live video shopping that converts.